Hello, I'm Aaron Siegel, co-founder and chief AI officer of Pixeltable. Pixeltable is a database system for multimodal AI that unifies storage and orchestration. And in this lightning talk, I'm going to show you how to spin up an object detection pipeline with Pixeltable. Now, all data in Pixeltable is stored in tables, although unlike a traditional database, tables can contain images, documents, audio, in this case, video. Here we see a simple table with a single row containing a video and some metadata. Now I'm going to put a view on the table. A view in Pixeltable is like a dynamic table that is automatically updated whenever the underlying table is. In this case, it's extracted all 469 frames from the original video. And now I'm going to run an object detection model on a few frames from the view. The model I'm using is YOLOX, which is a free and lightweight Python library for object detection. And now I'm going to put a computed column on the view to do object detection over all 469 frames. A computed column in Pixeltable is a column that expresses a computation that's automatically applied anytime new data is put into the table or existing data is updated. And so here's a query that came back. Now all 469 frames, object detection has been run and stored. Of course, it's easy to see what's going on if we superimpose bounding boxes on the original frames. And the final thing I'm going to do is take all of those annotated frames and roll them back up into a new video. And notice all of this has been done with something like 10 or 15 lines of Pixeltable code. There we see the result. The last thing I want to mention, this example is dealt with computer vision, but Pixeltable is equally adept at working with LLMs. And to demonstrate this, I'm adding another computed column that calls out to OpenAI to add additional metadata to a subset of the frames. And we'll see the result in just a moment. There it is. And so here we see structured and unstructured data, local model execution, and external API calls all coexisting comfortably in the same workflow. And this shows how Pixeltable reduces the plumbing involved in storage and orchestration, enabling application developers to focus on the content of their applications.